Hi YouTube family, I'm your friend Ashwani and welcome to another video on Let's Share Solutions. Now every week someone, at least one person asks me this question. Ashwani, how can I make money on YouTube? Now this video is specifically for those who want to do what they love to do and make money on YouTube. If I tell you about myself, as my regular viewers and my subscribers know that I'm a corporate filmmaker and a writer. And I do YouTube only because I love sharing knowledge. In fact, I started making social message videos back in 2006. And I have several channels, and although I do not make videos for earning money, but that's not the only reason I make the videos, and I'm not regular also, but still I make decent amount of money on YouTube. I'm on YouTube only for my passion of teaching. And the proof is that I'm on YouTube since 2006. My first channel, Ashwani Thakur, is still active. And YouTube started in 2005. At that time, neither me, and I'm sure neither did YouTube knew that one day people will make millions on YouTube. And YouTube will be the second largest search engine after Google. So coming back to the reason I made this video, actually to help all those who want to make money on YouTube, I have decided to make regular YouTube videos, and also starting from 100 lucky subscribers, I'm making 100% free online course where I will share everything that I've learned so far on YouTube since 2006. So if you are interested, please feel free to comment and let me know if you're interested, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do it right now because life's too short. Come aboard. Also, as I'm still producing the course right now, so I want to include things that people are actually struggling with, the questions that people actually have. So let me know in the comment below, or you can mail me and tell me what is your biggest question when it comes to making money on YouTube. What is your biggest question that when it comes to making money on YouTube for you? I'll answer your question, and if the question is good, and if the question is something that a lot of people can be helped, I will include that question in my course. If you don't want to comment here, you can simply email me, or you can fill up a form. I'll try to make a form at the bottom. I'll give you a link in the description. That's it for today. I look forward to your response.